Hey guys, good morning from Sunshine Farms. So this morning we have a okra. We have several okras. I don't know if you can see all the way up there, but there's another one. There's another one. And then we have some flowers. I'm gonna cut those and put them in a vase. They're so beautiful. And we have some more peas over here with bugs. I don't know what's going on with this one. It's just staying infested. No matter how much neem oil I put on it, just infested. Now here's that green pepper tree that was in the last video. I said I was going to cut it back. So I cut it back and I have a lot of new growth. So let's see what happens with that. Have some roses. Gonna cut those. My banana tree. My sweet potatoes. Of course, pineapple row. Oh no. That's the one I planted. It doesn't look like it's doing too good. I'm gonna leave it. Uh-oh. Everything's... Oh boy. It's a goner. So let's see if the root grows. And I had in the last video, there was a, oh no. We had a very windy day yesterday and it might have blew it off, and that's so sad. But as you can see, I have one here, another one here, and that's about it for the eggplant. Oh, that's so sad. That's another bell pepper tree. Same onions. Those peppers got a bunch of weeds in there, but I'll deal with it when it comes. The sunflower from the last video is getting tall. And now look at this. So these are the beans that I cut back last video. And thank God they're blooming. Yay. More food. But now they're latching on to the sunflower. You see it? Hope it doesn't do anything. But I'm going to leave it. Trial and error. Yep. Got more blooms. That's good. And here I planted more beans. They're just now coming up. More okra. That's a tall okra over there. And these more okra plants here. I planted some broccoli, but something's eating it. Ugh. My pepper bush. I planted some broccoli in here, but something's eating it. What is going on? Comment down below if you know anything about how to keep bugs from eating other than neem oil. I trimmed this back. So there's one in here. I planted some carrots in here. Let's see how that goes. So this is my tomato plant from before. I was gonna pull it out and chunk it, but then it started growing. So I'm just gonna cut it back and let all the new growth and see what I get. But I gotta do something about these bugs. And my gunga tree, the wind really did a job. A couple of little peas coming up here. But I gotta figure out why there's so many bugs. And I don't want to throw it out, but I don't want it to spread to the rest of the garden. This is crazy. Yeah, like I said, comment down below if you know how to get rid of some of this. Because I don't know what's going on. And it rained so much, the fruit is bursting open. But it's healing itself, which is good. Got a lot of fruit. I'm gonna pick this one. Got a lot of buds. So that means there's a lot of new fruit coming. My pomegranate, I remembered the name, my pomegranate tree. Got a lot of fruit that fell. My little, oh no, the wind, oh my goodness, the wind was so bad yesterday. That's a little garden gate art. Now this is my lemon tree. I don't know, it's chugging along. I have it in a pot. My second banana. Okay guys, just a small overview. I did clean it up a little bit and I weeded, but even though it's so small, the work is never done. Thank you so much for joining me at Sunshine Farm. Looks like a ladybug showed up for work. Do your job, baby, do your job.